Sit tight, we'll be done with fire. Target should be up ahead.
Just walking.
Step up! Ain't got time to waste! Let's do it. Cierto!
Oh yeah.
This is it. We're moving out.
Better make it fast. B-26
Hey.
is about to begin their bomb and run.
Target should be up
Press.
ahead. Roger. Movement inside. Get in position.
So, let's party.
Mason,
Close.
over here! This is it. You ready to make history?
Ja, gar nicht so. Ist nicht hier vorbei.
Crazy
Das
bitch!
ist schon so dumm.
He uses the human shield. She still protects him?
Lefto's supporters are fanatical in their devotion to him.
Bowman, the target is down.
Wilson Carlos is barely holding out. They got half the Cuban army down there. And those B-26s ain't hitting anything. Moving to the main hallway.
Okay, we're on our way. Killed! Bowman, take the right.
Roger that.
Next time we release, he's down. Target down. Keep moving.
Ja, Entschuldigung, wenn ich will nicht sagen. Aber ich muss so ein bisschen verlieren. This ain't good. There's too many of them. Take out that 50 cal. Carlos's men should be here. Carlos, what's happening? Here they come over the east wall.
You think I let you down, Ward? I think we'll cover your escape.
BTR!
Kleine Nummer, Friedhofscheiße. Er lebt ja noch. So, Granate. Geht's nicht.
Now, hurry, my friend.
God bless you, Carlos.
This way, into the sugar field.
Garbage.
There's the airfield.
Let's hope Carlos secured that evac.
He ain't let us down yet.
The rebels are getting their asses kicked.
Jawohl.
Better get down there. Hook up.
Draper.
Go!
Oh. Crazy shit.
Ward, keep on falling apart.
Hab ich ja
You
nicht.
need to get out of here.
You secure our transport?
Sie nennen jetzt Crazy.
On takeoff.
One bomb at a time, brother. We're leaving. Move back.
Wieso das große? Wieso? machen, ja. Weiß ich nicht, wie man das grafisch ist. Ich glaube, jetzt gefällt mir gar nicht so gut. Oh.
Give us cover, Mason!
Easy. Volumen.
Mason, take out those APUs! They're trying to take out our engines! What? You got them covered! Those fucking vehicles are blocking the runway!
I hear you, Bowman.
There's not enough time to take off!
I'll deal with it.
Nee.
You up out there! Mason, what are you doing? Mason!
Runway's clear. No choice, Woods. Do what I signed up for. I'll be fine. Just go. Get out of here.
Ja. Und dann wieder. Aber gut, er hat seinen Kollegen gerettet. Das ist schon etwas. Das hätte nicht weitergehen können.
You're dead. We killed you. No. You killed a double. You think we didn't know of your plan?
We always know.
Do with him what you wish, General. He's my gift to you, in honor of our new relationship. Just make sure that he suffers.
He will know suffering beyond his darkest fears. I have plans for you, American.
Oh, he did. Dragovich sure did. It was a setup. They knew we were coming. That bastard Dragovich.
The Russian.
Eh. He was behind everything.
Where did Dragovich take you?
Russia. A labor camp. Oh, a hellhole called Vorkuta. Oh my god.
What did they do to you, Mason?
What didn't they do?
Why didn't Castro just kill you? Why did he give you to Dragovich?
Because Castro and Dragovich were working together.
Yeah, you were a gift.
Right.
Where did Dragovich take you?
Vorkuta. I had to fight. Just to survive.
What happened in Vorkuta, Mason?
I was on my own. Almost a year.
Fake Mason. What did they do to you?
I'd given up hope of ever getting out.
But Viktor Reznov found a way.
You break, American!
Viktor Reznov.
My friend.
You hit like a child!
Только через село, понимаете? Собаки!
Hey, сволочь!
Всегда ты, Резнов!
So jetzt mit dem.
Reznov.
Jetzt immer noch so stark. Auch nicht.
Mason, every journey begins with a single step.
Der beste Spruch.
This is step one!